Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video I'm going to help you learn how to set reminders in Clickup. Clickup reminders are known as the coolest reminders ever created. You can create text reminders, add attachments, schedule the reminder and customize your notification for the reminder. If you want to learn how to set reminders in Clickup, keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Tap open your Clickup application and sign into your account if necessary. In order to create a new reminder, you can do so from anywhere in your workspace. Simply tap on this rainbow button over here at the bottom of the screen. Once you do that, you'll be able to see an expanded menu. Tap a new reminder in order to set a reminder. Now go ahead and type in your reminder. For example, let me type in that's the name of my reminder. Now go ahead and select the date for the reminder by tapping on this calendar thing over here. Once you do that, go ahead and select the date you want the reminder for, select the time that you want the reminder to play on, and tap on Done. Now you can go ahead and tap on Done one more time at the bottom right corner and tap on Send. Now you have successfully created a reminder on Clickup. That is how you can do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did it anyway, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.